In Afghanistan, grapes are traditionally grown on berms or earthen mounds called jo. The grapes are put in contact with the soil, which spoils the grapes very quickly due to the transfer of soil humidity to the fruit. This traditional method also prevents the fruit from reaching the sunlight. Unfortunately, the jo system decreases the productivity of the plants, with most vines requiring 3 to 4 years to produce grapes. Trellising vineyards, however, significantly improves the harvest yield of grapes both in quantity and quality. T-trellis systems consist of concrete poles running parallel to the vines and steel wires fixed over the poles. Each pole has a T-bar placed at the top, through which 3 wires are extended along the direction of the poles. This system, capable of supporting the load of the grapes, places the vines at a manageable height for the average-sized adult. With this technique, grapes grow at greater quantities and reach higher quality. As trellis grapes stay off the ground, the harvested fruit does not contain dirt particles, resulting in higher grading and ultimately higher market prices. Trellis vines are exposed to more sunlight, which encourages growth and increases yields and quality. Trellising also helps the effects from hail. The net result is doubling the yield and an increase in quality. While some of the trellising has been attempted in Afghanistan, no large-scale effort to trellis vineyards had been undertaken in a country which was once dubbed the Garden of Central Asia. In 2005, Roots of Peace pioneered the conversion of traditional Afghan grape vineyards to T-trellis systems in the Shamali Plains. Those first 33 farmers were reluctant when first shown the need for cutting back 10 to 12 grape canes, leaving only a mere 2 canes. After the first season, however, the farmers who converted 2 rows of their vineyard to trellising saw that their yields increased 50% the first year. Yields increased in an average of 107% due to the second year, with more than 75% of the grapes attaining export quality, compared to 15% the year before. Roots of Peace designed trellising using cement and seal, and then approached local manufacturers to build according to our Roots of Peace designs. By the end of our USAID CHAMP program, there would be more than a dozen local manufacturers in business to construct trellises for farmers wanting to adopt our new technology. Roots of Peace has trellised more than 900 hectares of vineyards in Afghanistan. Our new USAID-funded AMP program is currently distributing trellis posts and related supplies for the creation of hundreds of new trellises in the provinces of Kandahar, Helmand, Balkh, and Kunduz. Today, we are working with a contractor that has produced around 100,000 concrete trellis posts, and delivering these posts has now begun. At each participating farm, AMP will construct 1 row of trellising, then supervise the farmers to construct the remaining rows themselves. This program will then train the farmers in methods of training grapes to grow on trellises and properly pruning techniques. By next spring, 2023, these farms will have grapes budding with trellis wires well above the ground. This is how we plant the roots of peace in Afghanistan and turn sour grapes into thriving vineyards. Join us at www.rootsofpeace.org and witness our Harvest of Hope 2022, cultivating peace through agriculture for deserving farmers and families.